Good morning, I'm meteorologist Catherine Maxwell. We did have a little bit of that light snowfall, not for everyone, but some of us did see some of that, especially last night. And that did make our mark on that snow depth map. So want to be careful this morning for a little bit of some slick travel, even throughout the day, as temperatures really won't warm up too much for us. We are still seeing a little bit of light snow trying to ring out of the atmosphere on satellite and radar, but we're having high pressure nearby. That should help allow most of the area to be pretty much dry today. Higher elevations, I think, could still see a little bit of some flurries even into this evening. So today we're still going with a 30% chance for some light snow. Not everyone's going to see it, as we are looking to be much drier today. Temperatures will only be in the 30s for most. I think that the lower elevations, such as like Pineville, Grundy, Oceana, could be into the upper 30s today, about like 38 degrees. But most of us will be right around that freezing mark in the lower 30s for our high temperatures. So Futurecast is showing drier conditions will funnel in. We'll see a mixture of some sun and some clouds. As we head into the overnight hours, mostly dry conditions with temperatures falling back into the 20s and mostly cloudy skies. Throughout the day tomorrow, we're not tracking any precipitation, looking like a mostly dry day, and we will have sometimes the sun and clouds again. Temperatures much warmer on Thursday, looking at highs heading back into the 40s for the majority of the viewing area. So high pressure will be nearby for us again tomorrow, but our eyes are on Friday's low pressure system coming in from the south. We are looking at a rain-snow mix throughout our viewing area. Still, unfortunately, there is still some uncertainty with model runs. These are our two long-range models, the GFS and the European. The GFS model and the European model, this is both looking at 3 p.m., are showing that we'll have some precipitation come through. So that's the good news. It's looking like they're trying to hover really on our southern counties, but how long is this event going to last? That's what kind of plays into how much snow we could see, and is there going to be a sharp cutoff from rain on over to snowfall? That's what the uncertainty is. This is looking at 9 p.m. GFS is showing most of the precipitation down to the south, while European is still honing in on mostly snow throughout the southern half of our viewing area. The National Weather Service, the Weather Prediction Center, this is their snow probabilities. This is the chance of seeing 2 inches of at least 2 inches of snowfall. More down to the south, when you see that blue color, that's indicating a higher percentage. So that's what our team's thinking too. Southern half of the viewing area has a better chance to see snowfall, but it's still a little bit up in the air. So for now, we don't have a snow map quite yet, just because we're not really sure about that sharp cutoff from rain to snowfall and who's actually going to see the snowfall. That's still up in the air with model runs too, but we still have a chance for rain snow on Friday. We're going with a 40% chance. Looking more dry on Thursday. Today is going to be a mostly dry day too, but still those higher elevations could hold on to a little bit of some light snowfall even into this evening. Slick spots is going to be the main thing today. Still a little bit breezy with wind gusts at about 15 miles per hour for us. Back over to you, Joshua.